Hey guys, it's Verdi Blogs Gaming here, and today we're playing another round of Phantom Forces with the Penguin. Penguin, do you have anything to say to YouTube?
Hi!
And he says hi. Let's go get these people, Huda.
I know.
If you're new to my channels, please subscribe, put on post notifications, and put on and like this video. Ow! Huda just died. He just ruined my intro. Are you kidding me? Hold on, let me redo this. Please, if you're new to my channel, please. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, put on post notifications, and leave a like if you want to play. And if you want me to play a certain game on my channel with you, or just in general, just leave it in the comments and I'll try it out. Yehuda, where are you? Where are you? I hope you're all having a good day, and if you guys are in my game with me, if you guys follow me, you should be able to join. Don't be doodle bangers like Landon RB says. Like this guy who's trying to kill me over and over. Like this guy who's... Shout out to Optimal... Who is it? Shout out to Optimal Zipper Boy 224 for being a doodle banger, a bad one. Wow. That was annoying. These people are like impossible to stay alive up here. Okay, somebody has my Hattori, really? Green Hattori? It's probably none. Ready? Ow! Who the heck just shot me?
Always gets headshots and stuff like that. It's amazing.
I got them! No, I didn't. Never mind. Dude, respawn on top of the roof. Go get it yourself. I'm not getting it. I'm sniping them right now.
No, more important.
I'm getting it. Dude, I'm clearing them out so you can actually get the stupid thing.
If you do that for me, protect me, I'll go for it.
Got him! Booyah! Go, get that hill! Get that hill! Get the hill! Get the hill! Dude, get the hill! Get the hill! We need it! Dude, this is really close. We need to go get that hill. Hold on, captured it! You guys come onto my game. Oh, good. Could you stop, please? I don't want to hear that again. It's really annoying. M60. Yes, I just got an M60. I have an M60 and a Dragon over me. This is OP. I have a high-powered machine gun. I'm on radar, dang it. Go. Go, 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 go. Run! One of my teammates just put me on radar somehow. Ow. Ah.
Who's up top? Who's in there?
Who's up there with the green Hattori running around?
No,
Moi.
Sorry, guys.
You mean that very top roof? Up where?
Well, I saw a red dot. I don't see anyone. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go. Oh wait, I see a red dot.
No! I just got shot right in the face. Oh. Oops.
I'm surrounded.
I just damaged somebody when they're dying. Stay alive, stay alive. Dude, spawn on me, spawn on me, spawn on me.
At least I didn't give up my, my tool one. And I wasn't even my chosen one.
How did you get the chosen one? What's safe?
I forget which one. I think it was at the start. It was just, I think I like a very high chance of getting like
Yes, got somebody.
a legendary item out of it. That's why.
Hey, that thing sucks. Got my-
Oh, good. Nice. Whoever got that intervention. Guys. It's changing the slow floating the ship.
Yes! Getting so many kills here. Okay, so let's... Sorry about the silence there, people. Ah! Oh, jeez! Yeah, I know, they're crushing. We're crushing them, though. We are like over 200... We have 290 of... I'm on top of the roof and killing off people who are trying to snipe you. We still have the hill. Ah! Jesus, where did you come from? Ultimate Zipper Boy, the doodle banger, bad doodle banger again, just killed me. I did not mean to spawn on you. Wait! Scar PDW. Let's move up. Remington. AK. I have a feeling I'm gonna find him up here. Oh, this guy's not up there. Got him. Booyah.
I'm not hold on for now. Oh, whoever sniped me there, I give you a congratulations. I was a really good snipe.
Dang it, somebody else killed him. Where is that guy?
I know where they are. They're coming up for you. They're coming for you.
Hi.
These were I remember you being, did you not?
Which side are they?
So, come back to the ladder I saw.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I know where they're coming from.
Yeah, they're trying to trick me.
Okay, I threw a grenade down.
I'm near you, so I can go to you.
I have no clue where they are. This isn't good. Tis not good. Tis not good.
Got killed by those three.
Sucker.
Using an AK ball.
Sucker.
Here's I think the flag leader meant it was going to get hit over they never got, remember? Because they work like the only
Got him.
the user.
I got the guy that came up from me. How much do I have to stress to these guys? Don't be doodle bangers.
The Henry 45-70 killed me. What is the Henry 45-70? I need to look up that is. RPK, I think the RPK 12, not the RPK 12. What is it?
Oh, jeez.
RPK 12. He is 61. What's the Henry?
I don't know. Look in the shotgun area. Not shotgun, whatchamacallit? Recon. Pretty sure it's a
Oh,
recon
yeah, it's a
area.
battle rifle, actually. It's over 96 battle rifle. Oh, man.
Gee.
Sweet.
Oh, Jesus! Where did that guy come from?
It is 65 damage max, 45 damage minimum, 5 at 50 to a semi. But I need 45-75. I'm using my RPK 12. I'm using RPK 34, I guess. They're about, they're not that fucking me.
No! The SFG literally just despawned. That was annoying. I almost just got an SFG again.
I was trying to make a methanol come on the writing. I actually really cool snipe. They really are when I use.
Get it! I'm busy trying to snipe this guy. Thank you, dude. No! I had to reload! Ultimate Zipper Boy killed me again. He's killed me around about 6 times. I have 9 deaths. Why do I keep spawning on you? Want somebody on top of the roof. There. Deploy.
I'll try to finish them off. You protect me for a bit.
King of the Hill, I just nearly killed Dizzy. Okay, shout out to Yehuda, quiet for a second. Shout out to Dizzy Munching Orange for the best username ever. Dizzy Munching Orange. Now that's funny.
Sorry, let me. I'm at the game phone. It says I'm about to die. So.
Okay, call me back when you're done. Call me back when you get the other one, okay? Okay, people, let's go buy a spotter case. Open case. I believe I can find rare stuff a lot in these things. And then you could sell them for money, which you can get more cases with. Okay, Dizzy Munching Orange. Who wants a shout out? Hello? Hello, Bobbert. Bobbert. Yehuda, I just got it. I don't even know what the name is anymore. That was such a long name. Whoa! Oh my god, that guy is sneaky. I thought he was in a different area. So I didn't see him there anymore, so I moved forward, and then he wasn't. You had a Dizzy Munching Orange on our team. And I just had revenge for him. Ace Shoddy killed him. Oh, Ace Shoddy got away. So wait. Dizzy Munching Orange killed himself by falling from 118 million studs. That's pretty far. What? Okay, I just need 1 more minute of this recording. I'll be down in a minute. I have to finish this video. Yeah, what?
How much longer do you finish this?
I have 45 seconds. I have 45 seconds.
And start recording it, it doesn't ignore all of it. He has it on video.
Yeah, but then this video, because then it won't be the same round and people will realize. I might cut for certain, I'll give it at the end of I might cut between certain rounds though, for next video.
Okay.
And that you just stop. And that's it for now. Please like and subscribe.